Hello, everybody. We're back. We're going back to the lake. I'm gonna fix a couple things, and I've got more to add. So, I'm glad you guys are enjoying it. Excuse me. Oh, I just had a big supper. I do this in the evening because that's my best time. I always worked evenings, and I don't know. Maybe it's not, but for me, this is my best time of day. Got an idea of where to start. Okay. Okay. I want to get this. Yeah. And when that's dry, I'll come and I'll do the actual. Okay. Now I'm going to do a little bit of black, if I can find it. I really do wish that I had done that sky and grass ahead of time, or before I started this. Oh, that's supposed to be a step. I was like, what is that black thing there? Bring it down farther. It's working. Looks awfully big for a step, but yeah, more. Every time I fix a mistake, I make something more that it's something I gotta work better or do better. That is too much of a step. Yes, we need those steps a lot of times, but dang it, why did that get watery? All right. I don't know how you guys feel about outlining, but sometimes, not always, but sometimes, I think it's a good idea. after a while, I'll put, when everything's kind of dry over there, I'll put some more leaves to fill out the tree. Ease the tree, ease. Alright. Those are supposed to be, I guess they call them floats instead of buoys. But anyway, they're marked to keep them from going out where they should not be. Well, that goes down into the water, but you shouldn't be able to see it like that. Well, I guess you could see a little bit of it, as long as the water's fairly clean. Oh! I guess, alright, that's the motor. Attach that up later. We'll just color coordinate everybody. Well, that's supposed to look like a head and a neck, but it doesn't look very much like it. this is what we have. I'm not so disappointed. I mean, I've made mistakes, still correcting mistakes, but I think it's not terrible. Actually, I think it's kind of pretty good for me. And I still have things to do, like putting Joe in here, looking out at the lake. I might just put a fishing pole in his hand. The towels now have some white stripes. And the batteries is just about gone. So I love all of you. Good squeak. Smile and wave, go share it, and we will see you again tomorrow. Maybe a short, probably a short. And then we'll do a chatter. We'll chatter and then we'll be back to this and probably, hopefully, finish it up. Good night.